This is day 2 of learning how to do Dutch braids. Now, I know it's only the second day, but I decided to completely change how I've gone with trapping the hair between your ring finger and your middle finger, and then having like crab fingers, like pinchers, which go underneath, pinch, pull through, underneath, pinch, pull through, so on and so forth. You do that 3 times, and then you grab hair, pinch, pull through, grab some more hair, pinch and pull through. I think I'm getting the hang of it. It's not going to come overnight, I know that, and it's not going to come within a week or probably 2, which is kind of exciting really, because, you know, I get to learn this whole new skill that I never thought I would do. I've always kind of, as I said in the day 1, I always go to outsource this kind of thing just because it's much more easier. It does cost a little bit, that's not overly the issue. It's more the point of when she does do a competition, or even if she just wants her hair braided for just going and to jiu-jitsu, I should have the skills to just sit there and quickly do it. It's currently taking me around an hour to do both sides, which I still feel like I'm rushing. I still feel like I could probably take my time and maybe be about an hour and a half. But here we are. I'm getting it. I don't know what happened at the start of the right side of the Dutch braid, by the way. It looks all tangled. I don't know what I done. And I keep looking at, even like she's downstairs now, and I keep looking at her thinking, I'm not untangling that, or just to see what I've done. But I just, it's a learning curve. It's a learning curve. I feel like I made a huge mistake right in that front bit, and I don't know. The rest of it seems okay. The rest of it I'm kind of getting the shape. It needs to be tighter, it needs to be cleaner, and I fully get that. I don't know, some people have commented saying they like the hair to be drier, they find it a lot easier when the hair is drier, and then some people say they I also haven't tried yet, but I've got like this braiding wax or gel, I don't know what it is yet, but I've got like a big tub of that, and I wouldn't mind using that. I'm just really scared to just start using it, just in case I don't like it, we have to wash it all out and start again. I feel like I also struggle picking up the hair. That's one thing that I struggle with. And it's not necessarily, I mean, Amelia's hair is so thick that I feel like when I pick up a piece, it's grabbing everything. I've seen them little, are they like extra fingernail things? I might get a pair of them just to go on my fingers, just so I can drag the hair up, because I have no fingernails because of jiu-jitsu. Okay, that's the first braid. I don't know what I did at the bottom of this. Please don't judge me on that. I am still trying, I'm still learning. I've shown you because I'm like, probably made a huge mistake there. I don't know what mistake I made there. Now this side I feel was a lot better. This side, I don't know why. Does anyone have like a certain side that they feel that they do better? But I feel like this side I did a lot better, but maybe that's because I'd had 20 minutes on one side and I've gone, okay, I've had enough practice now, and your fingers probably start to get used to doing kind of repetitive motions. So I just feel like I did this side about 3 minutes quicker, and yeah, and I feel like it just went really, really well. I don't think it's the best, and I do think there's a lot that I could do which is a lot better, tighter, smoother, straighter. But I can now see it coming into play, and actually this is probably the best braid that I've done yet, even though it is actually only day 2. So yeah, I'll take a win where I can take a win. The places where I'm struggling, and I know this is probably the simple bit, is the bottom. Do I still do the, like when I get to the bottom where I'm not adding any more pieces in, do I still go crab hand, flick underneath, crab hand, flick underneath? Or do I go back to being more traditional, where just tucking under, because I don't know. That's a bit where I'm probably getting a bit stuck on. And yeah, the grabbing of the hair, which, I mean, I feel like they're getting quite tight at the bottom as well. I see a lot of people what do braids, and the bottom of the hair is always like loose. I feel like I'm getting that pretty tight at the bottom. I'll show you in a minute. I feel like I went wrong here as well again. I feel like when I'm doing this little bit here, it's so fiddly, and their hair is so thick. Yeah, I went wrong there. I don't know what I'm doing wrong on these last little bits, but I feel like I'm definitely going wrong on these last little bits. But But that is not a bad braid. It's not the worst braid. As someone, all right, I do have a experience in hair, but not braiding. I do not have any experience in braiding. It is a completely different game. Let me know in the comments. Give me a like, give me a follow, and I'll see you on day 3.